2019 Ram with the Ram box new body style short bed. We installed the RetraxPRO MX. It's a manual aluminum retractable bed cover that gives you instant access to your pickup bed. This product has a rail system that's clamped onto the side, which requires no drilling, and it has drain tubes to keep the water out inside the back canister, so you can still slide some stuff underneath there. This cover has weather sealing on the front and on the side of the rail, so it's going to do a great job keeping the water out. You can stop the cover at any point you want. You just push down the lock and it stops there. This has a nice matte black finish. It glides on sealed ball bearings. When you lock the tailgate, it's secure. And then you lock the cover, lock the tailgate. RetraxPRO MX on a 2019 Ram with the Ram box. Truck Access Plus.